What's up, homies? Welcome back to Conversational English. Today we're covering the whole shebang, from rolling into the kitchen to heading out the door, CJ style. We've got 16 phrases to master, all with that San Andreas vibe. It's part 1. Let's dive in. I'm rolling into the kitchen. In San Andreas, rolling means walking with swagger, like CJ owning his space. So when you're walking into the kitchen, you're not just walking, you're rolling in with confidence. Imagine CJ after a mission, hungry for some action. He rolls into the kitchen. Say it with me. I'm rolling into the kitchen. Got it. Good. So after rolling into the kitchen, first thing you do is check what's in there. Ain't that right? That's checking my stash in the cupboard. I'm checking my stash in the cupboard. A stash in GTA can mean hidden goods, but here it's just your stuff in the cupboard. So checking my stash means looking inside to see what's in there. Looking inside to see what's in there. Like CJ checking for supplies. Repeat after me. I'm checking my stash in the cupboard. Feel that cohesive energy, homies. You've got your cup. Now it's time to fill it up with H2O. Filling it up means filling the glass to the brim, and H2O is water. Keeping it scientific but still smart. CJ's gotta stay hydrated for those San Andreas streets. Say, I'm filling it up with H2O. You're killing it. Cups filled. Now take a sip and stay fresh. Taking a sip is taking a small drink. And staying fresh means staying refreshed and ready. CJ always stays fresh for his missions. So let's say I'm taking a sip, staying fresh. After drinking, put the cup away in the sink to keep things clean. So putting the cup away, no mess. Putting the cup away, no mess. Putting the cup away means putting it in the sink to keep things tidy. CJ is all about keeping it clean. So let's try. I'm putting the cup away, no mess. I'm putting the cup away, no mess. Alright, now time to get some food. So opening the cooler to see what's good. Cooler is a slang for fridge, and see what's good means checking what food is there. CJ is always looking for some good eats. So say, I'm opening the cooler, see what's good. You've opened the cooler and see some bread. Time to grab some bread to eat. So grabbing some bread, gotta eat. Gotta eat means I need to eat, like CJ filling up for his day. So grabbing some bread is getting some food to eat. Let's say I grabbing some bread, gotta eat. I grabbing some bread, gotta eat. That's it for today, homies. You've got 8 phrases to practice. Keep working on them to sound like a true Conversational English speaker. You can also see other lessons here or maybe here. For more English lessons with the gaming twist, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. Let's see what you got. Peace out, homie.